welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful umbrella with beautiful glitters. Yellow color. Red color. Light green color. Wow, so cute. Glitter time. Yellow glitter. Red glitter. Light green glitter. I like these. All glitters. Wow! Here's our beautiful umbrella with beautiful glitter is ready. Subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.